To class 11 science. In our previous class, we were studying about hybridization involving s and p orbital, and we discussed about two types of hybridization, sp3 and sp2 hybridization. Now today we are going to discuss about the third type of hybridization involving s and p, that is sp hybridization. Now in sp hybridization, one 2s orbital and one p orbital get intermixed to each other to give you two hybrid orbitals. Okay, so sp, which is a linear hybridization, and we know that the bond angle is 180 degree. So when one 2s orbital and one p orbital, that is 2px, of the excited carbon atom get intermixed to give two hybrid orbitals, then these hybrid orbitals are known as sp hybrid orbitals, and the phenomenon is called sp hybridization, as shown in figure. We'll see that figure later on. Now, to understand sp hybridization, we'll take the example of acetylene, the carbon-carbon having triple bond. Okay, so as we know, the carbon electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now, in case of acetylene, now we have got three bonds. So what we do is we'll excite one electron from 2s to 2p. Okay, so 2s will have one electron and this will have one electron, so you have got four unpaired electrons. Now in this case, only one s and one p will be utilized, because in a carbon, in acetylene, we have got only two sigma bonds. Okay, so the other two p orbitals remain unhybridized, they do not undergo hybridization, only one s and one p. Okay, because of that it is called sp hybridization. Now, so when one s and one 2px hybridize, it gives two hybrid orbitals which will orient them in a straight line, we can say, in a linear way, whereas py and pz, which are left unused or it is unhybridized, will remain there perpendicular to the Indian nuclear axis. So this is py and this is pz. So this is for carbon number 1, because in acetylene we have two carbon atom and both the carbon atom is similar in nature. So for the carbon number 2 also, they will have the same kind of hybrid orbitals and py and pz. Now what will happen, this for carbon number 1, this is for carbon number 2. Now what will happen, we have got sp hybrid orbital, sp hybrid orbital, two hybrid orbital. For the second carbon atom also the same. And in case of acetylene, we have got two hydrogen atoms, so that hydrogen atom will overlap with this sp hybrid orbital and this sp hybrid orbital. Okay, now so they will form a sigma bond, whereas 2py and 2pz, which are on each carbon atom, will overlap. 2pz will overlap with 2pz. Okay, and 2py will overlap with 2py. Now over here there is a formation of pi bond, because when there is a sidewise overlap, as we know, there is a formation of pi bond, and when there is a hidden overlap, it will form a sigma bond. So in case of acetylene, you'll find over here 1 2 3 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. Okay, this is the structure of acetylene. Now assignment 14, today's question. Question number 1, what is sp hybridization? Write the geometry and bond angles of such hybridized molecules. Question number 2, explain the formation of acetylene C2S2 molecule, the thing that we explained just now. And question number 3, indicate the type of hybridization of each carbon shown below. Now we have got carbon number 1 2 3 4 5. Now you have to write down the hybridization of each carbon atom. So for that, what you have to keep in mind, that in our previous classes we have seen that for sp3 hybridization, it is a single bond, carbon carbon single bond, and if it is a sp2 hybridization, we have got the formation of double bond, and if it is sp, then it is a triple bond. So from there you can just identify which one is a which carbon atom is undergoing which hybridization. Okay, so complete this assignment and send it in my mail.